If you have gaps in work history, this video is for you, as I'm going to guide you on how to make your CV stand out to employers by showing them your skills, how you have used them, and influence them that your skills are transferable and they need you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Deema. I'm a career strategist. I have been a regional talent leader for Fortune 500 companies. For more information, please visit careercare.deemayanima'at.com. So what are skills? Skills are ability that are developed through life and work experiences. They can be simple, such as caregiving your parents, or more complex, such as playing a musical instrument. There are many different types of skills, such as basic technical skills, specialized technical skills, and personal skills. In the workplace, you will use a combination of technical and personal skills. For those of you who is less familiar with these skills, or to make sure that we are on the same page, let me quickly walk through them. There are two types of technical skills: specialized technical skills and basic technical skills. Specialized technical skills are for doing a specific job, such as building a house, commercial finance, software development, talent acquisition. These specialized technical skills are usually skills learned through study, training, or work experiences. The second type relates to basic skills, such as having a driver's license, computing, literacy, numerical skills, or ability to swim. These basic technicals are what most people have and what employees need. Personal skills are skills, qualities, or attitudes that you bring to your workplace. They are sometimes called transferable skills or employability skills because they are skills that can be useful in many types of jobs and situations. You can pick up personal skills from study, training, work experiences, and in your daily life. Examples of personal skills include motivating and leading other people, having a good eye for detail, planning and organizing an event, or problem solving. You may not realize this, but you have been developing personal skills from your daily life, such as household activities, voluntary work, recreation and hobbies, or education activities. Now, we are on the same page with the different type of skill sets. Let's move on to how you can figure out your skills. If you're not sure what your skills are, your first step is to identify them. You gain skills from life experiences such as paid and unpaid jobs, interests, hobbies, playing sports, belonging to organizations or school. Figuring out all the skills you have can increase your career options, and this will also identify any skills or knowledge gaps. Most importantly, figuring out all the skills you have will help you decide what sort of job you might like, will help you decide what areas you need to focus your study or training on, and will help you write your CV if you're applying for a job. Now let's do some brainstorming to help you figure out your skills. Step 1. List down your paid and unpaid jobs. Make a list of the jobs or position or responsibilities you have had and any voluntary work that you have done. Step 2. List down your main tasks and duties. For each job or role, write 5 or 6 sentences describing your main tasks, duties, or responsibilities. For subjects you study at school, think about the assignments and projects you did. Step 3. Describe the skills you use for each task or duty. For each task, duty, or responsibility, write a sentence describing the skills you use or develop to do them. As you go through your list, ask yourself, how advanced are you in that skills? If you are having trouble figuring out your skills, you can get ideas by checking out job advertisements to find out what skills employers say they are looking for. When checking out the job advertisements, ask yourself these 2 following questions. Do I have any of these skills? How can I show that I have these skills? I have included a worksheet figure out your skills in the description and comment below. It helps to declutter and focus, so feel free to use them. So what should I put on my CV if I do not have any work experience? So for those of you who have never had a job before, you can get skills from activities such as playing sports, belonging to teams, taking part in events such as debates or drama productions, belonging to organizations such as Scouts, Girl Guides, Air Training Corps. You can also learn skills from the subject you study. For example, if you have studied maths, You already have analytical skills or problem-solving skills. Next, what is the best place to put your skills section on your CV so that it will stand out? There are many different types of CV format. Honestly speaking, I don't find this CV format useful. Instead, I find this way more useful and impactful. Remember, the purpose of your skills is to demonstrate to the recruiter that you are the ideal candidate and will make a valuable employee. So top summary sharing your core expertise, who you are, sprinkling some of your other skills throughout your CV will be much better as the other format is too generic. But don't include too many of them as to not overwhelm the reader, as it will be very hard for the reader to navigate. Next, how many skills should you list on your CV? A lot of CV writing services recommend that you should include as many skills as you can on your CV. However, I do not recommend that. Like I said in my earlier point, you should instead identify your core skill sets, include them on your top summary, and in other words, what do you want to be known for to your reader? If I must put a number to it, perhaps up to 5 core skills. By the way, do not forget to describe your skills in an impactful way. For example, if you have specialized technical skills, which is Python programming, you should not just list down as Python programming. Instead, you should say, develop a Python program for an AI project in company X. Or, if you are known for your soft skills such as creative leadership, you should list it as created and realized innovative solutions in the face of changing situations. And during the interview, elaborate further what happened, what steps you took, what tools you used, and what was the outcome. Take note, to make sure that your CV impresses the hiring manager, you should always tailor your skills to the job that you're applying for. You can go a step further if you want to stand out. Do some research on your prospective employers. Another great way to find out what truly matters to the employer is by networking. If you know someone who has worked for the company, don't hesitate to reach out to them to learn more. That way, you could discover what the employer considers important. If you don't have any connections within the company, try networking online through sites like LinkedIn. Going the extra mile to get a deeper understanding will only present yourself as a well-rounded candidate. Next, what skills should you avoid including on your CV? 1. Irrelevant skills. Avoid including skills that are irrelevant to the job. This will only take up valuable space you could fill with relevant facts. Similarly, avoid listing basic skills that have become obsolete, such as typing or knowledge of Microsoft Word. These 2 skills, you should already know them. Skills that you don't possess. This should be a no-brainer because lying about your skills is never a good idea. Your employer will soon find out the truth and you will be eliminated from the hiring process. And if you do end up getting the job, lacking the necessary skills could result you in being fired or being pushed to the performance improvement plan. So stay away from including skills that you don't have at all costs. I hope you find this topic useful. I have included a free download of skills-focused template CV on my website, so do check them out and feel free to use them. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like my video, leave a comment and share my video with all your friends and family members.